Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I just thought some of you might find it interesting to see the upper and lower handguards removed. This is a ar-15 pre-ban and it's registered and all that. So I was taking the handguards off so that I could put this bipod adapter on there, and it's on another video. If you want to see how to do that, go to the other video. But I got to, I am a curious guy and I just like taking things apart and putting them back together. So I was wondering if there was a difference between the upper and lower handguard. I marked them, upper and lower. To me, they look identical and interchangeable. However, the lower one, well, no, they pretty darn much look identical to me. So anybody disagrees with that, put it in the comments. But that's all this is. It's a picture of them removed. They fit under a lip here and under this lip here, which is spring-loaded circular piece to hold the handguards. You can't twist it around or anything, you just can pull it back. There's one of those wavy, flexible, it's like a spring steel wavy washer underneath there, and that's what you're compressing when you pull it back like that. Okay, so just a little information on taking the stock original military type handguard off of that's a Colt ar-15. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later. Froggy out. Bye bye.